Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to see adult content on X app. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Twitter or X app. Click right here, the settings avatar icon at the top left. Click settings and support. You're gonna see three options right here. Click settings and privacy, and then scroll a little bit down right here. Go ahead to the privacy and safety, and basically you're gonna see the third option right here, content you see. Click on it, and from there you're going to be able to choose the topics that best fit you. They remove the sensitive content or adult content option from the browser and from the app, so all you gotta do now is just go to explore or interest, and then you're gonna be able to select your favorite content on Twitter, and you can color this one green if you want the new trends for you, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.